Hello everyone. Are you having a problem that while using the Lisp file you suddenly see this message, no function definition at the command bar?
That Lisp was working, but suddenly it responds as no function definition.
And this problem is very common in other Lisp files too. So, here is the solution. Let's type AP and press enter.
Here, where we paste our Lisp files, find Express folder.
Get inside this folder.
Here, find these two files, AutoCAD.
One is runtime extension and another is fast load AutoLisp file.
Select this both files and click at this load.
Then close this dialog box. Then we can try again. And everything will work smoothly.
Remember, this solution may also work for other Lisp files. There are more useful videos and free downloads on my channel which might be helpful. So, don't forget to visit my playlist and do subscribe for more interesting videos ahead.
Thanks for watching, and happy drafting!